Hello, this is Hitansi with the Bayan Group, and today I'm going to show you how to automate a task in a SharePoint list or library by creating rules. We will cover the following items: creating a rule and managing a rule. This simple feature can be helpful when you want to notify someone when data changes in a list or a new file is created in a library. This is a little different than the Alert Me feature in SharePoint, as that only alerts you as the creator of the alert. First, open SharePoint and go to the list or library where you want to automate your tasks. For this demo, I'll be using the Work Progress Tracker list. From here, select Automate, Rules, and create a rule. You will be shown three conditions that will trigger your rule. Data in a column changes, a new item or a file is created, an item or file is deleted. For this demo, I'll choose the first condition. Select each of the underlined portions of the rule statement to customize the condition by choosing a column, the value of the column, and whom to notify. You can specify a person or multiple individuals, but not a group email address. You can also use this feature to create rules that alert the assigned to user of a due date that has passed. Click Create. You will be taken to a window to manage your rules. From here, you can turn your rule on or off with this toggle, or you can create multiple rules. To delete a rule, click on it and select Delete Rule at the bottom left corner. You can also manage rules for the list by clicking on Automate, Rules, and Manage Rules, and the same window will pop up. This is the email that the assigned to manager will receive. With this feature, you can send out simple notifications with an out-of-the-box method and bypass using Power Automate. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we will see you next time. Thank you.